Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what you need: the Bonelab game folder, an extractor tool, and a text editor. Once you have the game path and asset bundle extractor, or BEP in X, installed, open the game's localization or audio assets. Extract the relevant audio clip or subtitle container so you can read timestamps. Make sure to keep a backup of original files before edits. This avoids losing progress and lets you test changes safely. Now make the actual SRT. Load the exported audio into a waveform tool and mark start/end times precisely. You need milliseconds. Then compose each SRT block. Index number, timestamp in 00000000000005 200 format and the text line. Keep lines short for readability and use UTF-8 encoding when saving. Once done, validate the timing against the audio and adjust small offsets so text appears in sync during gameplay. Finish by adding the SRT to the mod or localization folder the game reads, or enable a subtitles plugin and point it to your file. Launch Bonelab and test a scene to confirm timing and line breaks. If subtitles are off, reopen your SRT and tweak the start/end times or the global offset in the plugin. Also check file encoding and game logs for errors. One troubleshooting tip: if text shows gibberish, resave as UTF-8 without BOM and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.